Sometimes customers will come to us and say, I've been in an accident, I want to bring the car to center collision, but unfortunately you're not on the list for my insurance company. Let me explain why we're not on that list. We are a completely independent auto body shop, which means we are not connected with any insurance company. We work with all insurance companies. Most of the cars in our shop are insurance claim vehicles, but we have chosen not to be connected with the insurance company in a contract. List of body shops that you'll find that are recommended by your insurance company are all contracted shops for that insurance company. So in essence, they work for the insurance company. We work for you. That is the main thing that has changed the way we operate more than anything else. We are independent because we want to be able to serve our customers' needs, not be influenced by what the insurance company wants. We are looking out for your best interest. By doing that, we can also offer a national transferable lifetime guarantee, which is an unheard of warranty that covers your vehicle as long as you own it, or if you sell the vehicle, or even if you move to a different state.